Hi, my name is Igor and I am a designer and illustrator, and in this video I would be creating vector logo based on Sketch. Moving from Sketch to Vector is the most exciting part of the design process for me. This is when I'm able to see my idea come to life. Moving to vector allows me easily explore different color options to pick the true color options that resonates with the client target audience. This is crucial when I don't have a brand book to follow. In my case, the audience is programmers, so the color scheme should resonate with their brand experiences, like top 10 brands of the Silicon Valley like Facebook, Google, Apple, and others. Also, the vector files can be seamlessly integrated with various design softwares, making it easier to share the files with other designers. Vector files can be exported in different file formats, such as SVGs, EPS, PDFs. The clean lines and scalability ensure high-quality printing. And the most important, in modern design era, vector logos are well suited for digital platforms. It looks sharp and clean across websites, social media profiles, and other online channels. To sum up, vectoring the logo from sketch to vector not only enjoyable process, but also is very needed for cleaning the design and providing your client with flexibility in use of the final logo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!